Good morning, class. From today, I will be taking your GK lessons. For the past few days, I was not taking your lessons. So, I'll start with the very first chapter, that is India, our country. Indian first. We have to write the names of these famous first in India. Who is the first woman Speaker of State Assembly? Shanno Devi. Indian Civil Service Officer Satyendra Nath Tagore. Woman Advocate Cornelia Sarobhai. Cosmonaut to travel into space Rakesh Sharma. To climb Mount Everest without oxygen Piyush Dorji. Cricketer to win the Bharat Ratna Bhanu Atya. Test Captain C.K. Naidu. Man to swim across English Channel Mihir Sen. Woman to swim across English Channel Arati Saha. Magsaysay Award winner Achar Vinoba Bhave. Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the woman Chief India of State? First Sucheta Kriplani. First Commander-in-Chief of Independent India K.M. Karappa. Miss Universe Sushmita Sen. Dada Saheb Phalke recipient Devika Rani. Now, know with Derek. The American term for one of who goes into space is astronaut. The Russian and Chinese equivalents are cosmonauts and taikonaut, respectively. Now we start with the second chapter, that is Bharat Ratna and other awards. What is Bharat Ratna award? Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of our country. It is given for exceptional contribution to public services and exceptional work in fields such as arts, literature and science. It was last awarded in 2015 to activist Madan Mohan Malviya. It was last awarded in 2015 to former Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee and independence activist Madan Mohan Malviya. Now, the crossword puzzles had been given this on the next page. We have to see the questions and we have to fill the puzzles for the Bharat Ratna awardees. Now, who won across? This is across, this is down. Who won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998? It is Amartya Amartyasen. Amartya Sen. Then a respected physician and freedom fighter served as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for 14 years. This is B.C. Roy. B.C. Roy. Then ninth, architect of the Indian Constitution. Architect. This is the ninth architect. Ambedkar. Ambedkar. Then 10th, a famous sitarist set for the music for Sare Jahan Se Acha. 10th. This is 10th. This is Ravi Shankar. Ravishankar. Ravi Shankar. Then we'll come with the down. First one. With the first name as Nelson, he is a person who fought against apartheid. Bracket is written 7. So we'll find where 7 is. 7. Mandela. This is first. So we'll Mandela. M-A-N. We'll go for the first. Down. See, this is down. This is across and this is down. So Mandela. M-A-N-D-E-L-A. Mandela. Then comes the second. A former president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. See, this is second and this is down. Radha Krishnan. RADHAKRISHNAN. Radha Krishnan. Then fourth. Youngest Prime Minister of India, also a pilot. Fourth. See, fourth, this is fourth number and we are coming down. Rajiv Gandhi. RAJIVGANDHI. Rajiv Gandhi. Then sixth. Awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Sixth. Where comes the sixth? Down. Sixth. See. C.V. Raman. CVRAMAN. Then comes the seventh one. First to receive commercial pilot's license and a legendary businessman. This is seventh. J.R.D. Tata. T-A-T-A. Tata. Understood? Then comes the eighth one, known as Gandhi of South, awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976. Eighth. K. Kamaraj. KKAMARAJ. Understood? Now, Padma awards, namely Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri, are given for exceptional distinguished services in any field, including service rendered by government servants. Padma Vibhushan is ranked highest among the three, followed by Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Now come with Derek. In 2019, the Bharat Ratna was awarded to former President Pranab Mukherjee, late leader Nanaji Deshmukh and late singer Bhupen Hazarika. Now we'll come with the third chapter. This is India, our country, taste of India. We all love foods. Different tastes and regions of India have their own unique recipes and style of cooking. Let us travel around the country and taste some mouth-watering delicacies. Now, we have to name the state. The name of the dish is given. They have explained the dishes. Now, we have to name them from which region of the state the recipes and the style of cooking belongs. Name the state. Let us first drop it into this tiny seaside state and enjoy the same sanas type of idli, sorpotel, that is pork preparation in vinegar, and a sweet dish called bebenika. The name of the place is where we find all these types of dishes is Goa. Our next stop to God's own country. Here we relish a delicious meal of appam and kochirachi, that is a coconut-based chicken curry. After that, we enjoy a generous helping of payasam, that is dessert. The name of the place is Kerala. Now the third. From the south, let's travel to land of Shivaji, where we enjoy eating dishes like Puran Poli, that is a roti stuffed with sweet fillings, Jhunka Bakri with Thecha, and Kolhapuri Pandra Rasa, that is Maharashtra. The place is Maharashtra. Then comes fourth. It's Navratri and we are invited for sumptuous meal of Wagela Bhat and Khatta Mag, followed by sweet dish called Mohan Tal. The name of the place is Gujarat. Off to this northeastern state where we order Jatti Lautinga Anja, that is fish curry with rich gourd and potato pithika. To satisfy our sweet tooth, we enjoy a bowl of Kalamkar Pyas, that is places Assam. Now, this North Indian state is known for its tandoori murg, sarson ka saag and makke ki roti. The name of the place is Punjab. Back down south, we have mulligatni soup, a dish made of red lentils and black peppercorns, chettinad chicken and periam, that is sweet idli. The name of the place is Tamil Nadu. After this, we sit down for a meal of amrud ki sabji, panchmela ki dal and lal mas with a decent helping of gatta pulao. The name of the place is Rajasthan. Now know with Derek. In 1868, Nobin Chandra Das of Bagh Bazar, Kolkata is believed to have invented the much loved Rasgulla as we know it today. His son K.C. Das started canning them, which led to the even wider availability. Now, Kari ka pani, that is green mango juice, is popular drink in northwestern states of India. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.